First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Another cool start to our morning here in southern Kentucky. Yesterday morning, many of you awakened to temperatures in the mid and upper 40s. We're doing that again this morning. Some low 50s, a little bit of a warmer trend, though, over the next few days as we take a look at our brand new First Alert Doppler Max HD, which shows 5 radars all across the region, checking things out this morning. Not seeing anything here, but if we were seeing a lot of precipitation or even severe weather, thunderstorms, tracking those things, then we can do that not only from this view, but also a much closer view into south central Kentucky. There you see 31 east, 65, 231, 431, 68. We get even more detail the further in we go, and we start to see the landscape here in high definition around the Bowling Green area, Natcher Parkway, even the new extension out to 231 on this map, with even some of the smaller roadways showing up like Richardsville Road, 185, and then 526 out to Oakland, and 234, the Cemetery Road. Let's get even closer and show you the city of Bowling Green in 3D with streets outlined here, and there's the airport, as you can see, and then the sweep hand comes around on a Doppler radar and checks things out. If we were watching storms come in, we'd be able to show you exactly where in the city of Bowling Green or any of our viewing area where the storms are tracking at this hour. Where we're seeing some rain is back here, back to the west, southern Missouri, into the Boot Hill, where some decent rainfall is falling between Springfield, Missouri and Little Rock, Arkansas, with a disturbance that is moving through parts of northern Arkansas. In fact, here's a look at the last 6-hour rain totals. Very light rain, even though it looks like a lot of rain. It's not very much that's falling here, only about maybe a 1/10 of an inch of rain thus far. Here is a live view from something you've seen before, and that is our AAA Systems Weather Cam network. But because our new weather system is now in high definition, then all of our cameras are now in high definition, and it gives us just a beautiful shot from our Doppler tower here, looking outside and down Russellville Road, seeing just a few of the high clouds that are out there at this hour. Currently 50 degrees. We're just a few degrees warmer than we were at this hour just yesterday morning. 100% humidity, a very light wind out of the west-northwest with the barometer falling. As we check around the area, temperatures on the Mesonet network: 48 in Campbellsville, 50 in Columbia and Glasgow, 52 Scottsville, 48 Hardinsburg. Look at that cool 47 up in Calhoun at this hour. As we check some of the weather cams, 53 at the Kentucky Mesonet side there in Edmonton with a mainly fair sky in Metcalfe County. Munfordville starting at 50 with a mainly clear sky this morning in Hart County. Greenville starting at 50 degrees. A few clouds though, and those clouds will be on the increase today from west to east in advance of that little weak disturbance coming in later. Litchfield, you're seeing a mainly clear sky, but you see some clouds there off in the distance as we're looking down Highway 62, 47 degrees. Every once in a while we'll get a little, a little image that doesn't come in quite right, but that's okay. This is called Future Max Predictor. It's our in-house computer forecast model. It shows clouds and future radar satellite, if you will. And what it does is gives us an element we have not had here before. It's more of an in-house look at what we think the weather's going to be over the next, say, 24, 36 to 48 hours. And here it's plainly showing you the clouds coming in this morning into the afternoon, but no rain here in southern Kentucky. There's the front trying to work its way in later this evening and early tomorrow morning on the timeline. About 1 a.m. there could be a few sprinkles in the area as that front sags southward tomorrow. Cooler air begins to come in with a few clouds and maybe a passing sprinkle, but a lot of this will begin to clear out by tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures, well, they're going to be on the cool side, 78 close to 80 today, and then overnight not quite as cool as this morning. It will be more into the lower 60s. Barren River Lake, that's our hometown forecast presented by the Kentucky Lottery. 80 Bowling Green, 79 Glasgow and Scottsville, 80 today in Franklin. The Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night, $171 million, $62 million for the Mega Millions drawing. 80 today, partly sunny and warmer. Then for tonight, 60 under a mostly cloudy sky. There could be a few sprinkles in there. Then your 7-day forecast showing a mostly sunny next few days with high temperatures in the low to mid 70s to near 80 degrees by the end of the week. The next chance of rain not until about Sunday, except for those little light rain showers that might show up sometime this evening.